Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you where you can find already deleted or removed tasks in your lists and boards on Google Tasks. So let us get started. So navigate to Google Tasksboard and access the board you would like to organize. And after that, click into these three dots of the given list where you deleted the task from. So let me delete one of these tasks for the sake of this tutorial, like that one here. Go to Gym, click on these three dots, select and delete. And now the task is gone. Now, as you can see, there's no trash folder here, guys, on Google Tasks. So you will need to do the following to access these deleted tasks and to restore them if necessary. You will need to click into these three dots of the corresponding list where you deleted the task from. And after that, select this option, Show Deleted Tasks. And you will see that list of all removed tasks. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into that trash icon to the right. But instead of removing them permanently, you will be able to restore the given task to the same location where you once removed them from. And that's it. Now let me move it to a different list because we got already the same task here. So I don't want to have these duplicated tasks. So let me delete it again. Anyways, that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.